Welcome to the Motivation Guru. Want to develop yourself and make great achievements? Do you want to grow as an individual and develop new skills, boost self-confidence, improve relationships and stay motivated? Probably yes, but you don't know where to start from, isn't it? In this video, we will take you through the step-by-step process of creating an effective personal development plan that will empower you to achieve your goals and reach new heights in both your personal and professional life. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell button for more self-development videos, and let's move ahead. What is a personal development plan? A personal development plan is a roadmap that outlines your goals, strategies, and actions for personal and professional growth. It helps you identify areas for improvement, set specific objectives, and track your progress over time. Step 1. Understanding the significance of self-assessment. Self-assessment is crucial for personal development as it helps you understand your current skills, capabilities, and areas for improvement. It allows you to identify strengths to leverage, address weaknesses, set relevant and achievable goals. In short, self-assessment acts as a compass for your growth journey. While personal development focuses on enhancing qualities such as self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and resilience, professional development aims to sharpen job-specific skills and knowledge. Integrating both is important because personal development enhances overall well-being and fulfillment, while professional development boosts career growth and success. By recognizing the significance of self-assessment in both personal and professional spheres, you can effectively tailor your development plan to address all aspects of your growth. Step 2. Setting clear and compelling goals. Setting goals is a crucial aspect of personal development as it provides direction and focus for your growth journey. In this section, we will explore the power of goal setting in driving personal transformation and how you can embrace the SMART goals framework to create effective development objectives. We will also discuss the importance of balancing between formal skill enhancement and social growth in your personal development plan. Goal setting is like charting a course for your personal development journey. It gives you something to strive for and helps you stay motivated and focused. When you have a clear goal in mind, you are more likely to take consistent action towards achieving it. Goals provide a sense of purpose and meaning in your life. They give you something to look forward to and can help boost your self-confidence as you make progress towards achieving them. Whether it's improving your communication skills, learning a new language, or developing leadership abilities, setting goals allows you to envision the future version of yourself that you want to become. When setting goals, it's important to make them SMART, that is, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. By following the SMART goals framework, you can set clear and actionable objectives that are more likely to lead to success. When crafting your personal development plan, it's essential to strike a balance between formal skill enhancement and social growth. Formal skill enhancement involves acquiring knowledge and developing specific abilities related to your personal or professional goals. This can include enrolling in courses, attending workshops, and seeking out mentorship opportunities. On the other hand, social growth focuses on developing relationships, communication skills, and emotional intelligence. Building strong connections and nurturing a supportive network can have a significant impact on your personal development journey. Consider incorporating both formal skill enhancement and social growth activities into your plan. For example, if one of your goals is to improve your leadership skills, you could join a leadership development program, and you could seek opportunities to collaborate with others and practice your leadership abilities in real-life situations. Balancing these two aspects of personal development will enable you to cultivate a well-rounded skill set while also fostering meaningful connections with others. Step 3. Identifying opportunities for learning and improvement. Understanding your unique learning style makes the acquisition of new abilities easy. Reflect on your preferred learning methods, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. Experiment with different approaches to identify the most effective learning style for you. Utilize resources such as online quizzes or assessments to determine your dominant learning style. Tailor your personal development activities to align with your preferred learning style for maximum effectiveness. Engage in continuous learning through reading, attending workshops, or enrolling in online courses. Set aside dedicated time for reflection and self-assessment to monitor your progress and growth. Embrace challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth and skill enhancement. By understanding your unique learning style, you can customize your personal development journey to optimize the acquisition of new skills and knowledge. Additionally, fostering a proactive approach to self-improvement will enable you to continuously evolve and thrive in both personal and professional endeavors. Step 4. Crafting strategies for action and implementation. Crafting a personal development plan is just the first step towards your growth journey. To truly make progress, you need to narrow down on key skills that you want to develop and define action steps for each. Here is how you can craft effective strategies for action and implementation. 1. Isolate one skill. Start by identifying one specific skill or area of improvement that aligns with your overall personal development goals. It could be enhancing your communication skills, becoming more organized, or developing leadership abilities. By focusing on one skill at a time, you can devote your energy and resources more effectively. 2. Define action steps. Break down the process of skill development into actionable steps. Think about what actions you need to take in order to improve in this area. For example, if you want to enhance your communication skills, your action steps might include reading books on effective communication, attending workshops or courses, practicing active listening, or seeking feedback from others. 3. Set deadlines. Establish realistic deadlines for each action step to keep yourself accountable and motivated. Deadlines create a sense of urgency and help you stay on track with your development plan. Be sure to set specific dates for completing each action step, but also allow yourself flexibility in case unexpected challenges arise. 4. Track progress. Regularly monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. Keep a record of the actions you've taken and the outcomes you've achieved. This will not only help you stay organized, but also provide valuable insights into your growth journey. Remember, crafting strategies for action and implementation is all about taking consistent steps towards your goals. Stay committed, be adaptable, and celebrate the small wins along the way. Step 5. Integrating personal and professional development paths. Integrating personal and professional development paths is crucial for achieving holistic growth and success. By nurturing both aspects of your life, you can create a harmonious balance that allows you to thrive in your career while also prioritizing your personal well-being. Pursuing professional courses, certifications, or advanced degrees can enhance your knowledge and skills in your chosen field. This not only helps you stay competitive in the job market, but also demonstrates your commitment to ongoing learning. Engage in networking activities, industry conferences, online communities to expand your professional circle. Building meaningful connections with like-minded individuals and attending events can open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and mentorship. Seek out leadership development programs or workshops that focus on honing your managerial and leadership skills. Developing these abilities not only benefits your career progression, but also fosters personal growth by refining qualities such as communication, emotional intelligence, and decision-making. Take on challenging projects or assignments that push you outside of your comfort zone. These opportunities allow you to develop new skills, gain valuable experience, and showcase your abilities to superiors and colleagues. It's extremely important to set boundaries, clear boundaries between your personal and professional life to prevent burnout and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Prioritize self-care activities, hobbies, and quality time with loved ones to recharge and stay motivated. Regularly review and evaluate your progress in both personal and professional development areas. This allows you to identify areas that need further attention or adjustment, ensuring that you stay on track towards your goals. By integrating personal and professional development paths, you can create a synergistic approach to growth that not only propels your career forward, but also nurtures your overall well-being. Balancing both aspects of your life ensures that you are continuously evolving as an individual while making meaningful contributions in your professional sphere. Step 6. Reviewing, revising, and sustaining your growth strategy. As you progress in your personal development journey, it's important to regularly review and revise your growth strategy. Life is dynamic and your goals, aspirations, and circumstances can change over time. By continually adapting your plan, you ensure that it remains relevant and aligned with your evolving needs. One way to approach this review process is by conducting regular self-assessments. Reflect on your current progress and evaluate if you are still on track towards achieving your goals. Consider whether there are new skills or areas of improvement that have emerged since you initially created your development plan. By staying attuned to these changes, you can make the necessary adjustments to ensure continued growth and success. Fostering resilience and well-being along the journey is vital for you to complete the journey. You have to embrace a growth mindset. Cultivate the belief that challenges and setbacks are opportunities for growth and learning. Instead of viewing obstacles as roadblocks, see them as stepping stones to progress. This shift in perspective will help you stay resilient in the face of adversity. Surround yourself with positive and supportive individuals who can provide encouragement, feedback, and guidance. Seek out mentors, coaches, or peers who have experience in your areas of interest. Their insights and advice can help you navigate challenges and stay motivated. Break goals into manageable steps. Large goals can feel overwhelming and lead to procrastination or burnout. Break them down into smaller, actionable steps that you can tackle one at a time. Celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how small, to maintain momentum. Practice self-care. Prioritize your well-being by incorporating self-care activities into your routine. This could include exercise, meditation, journaling, or engaging in hobbies that bring you joy and relaxation. Taking care of your physical and mental health will provide the energy and resilience needed to pursue your development goals. Regularly seek feedback from others to gain different perspectives on your progress. Reflect on your experiences, identifying what worked well and areas for improvement. This process of self-reflection will enhance self-awareness and allow for continuous growth. In conclusion, remember that personal development is not just a destination but a lifelong journey. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you have the power to shape your future, overcome obstacles, and achieve extraordinary success. Keep reviewing, revising, and adapting your plan, and never underestimate the importance of accountability and external support. With dedication, resilience, and a proactive mindset, you can turn your dreams into reality and live the life you've always imagined. Thank you for tuning in to the Motivation Guru. Don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and stay motivated on your path to greatness. Until next time, keep striving for excellence.